Hey, welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. I have something special again. What is it? Skinny chicken soup, number 2. Now, this is a repeat of an older soup recipe I had just like this. So, this is number 2. And why am I repeating it? Because I'm changing the recipe just a little bit. To make it just a little bit more nutritious, a little bit more tasty. And since this soup previously had a great success, something, I have to repeat it again, once again. So let's get going here. Grab yourself a pot and let's add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and let's keep it on medium high for now. Add about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, and of course I chopped it. When the chicken is cooked just a little bit, I would add 1 medium red onion, and of course it's diced, and let's stir that around for another few minutes. Let's add 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic and 1 medium leek, and I'm using a little bit of green and a little bit of the yellow. Now add some fresh ground pepper. Add as much as you want because this helps increase your metabolism, and because this is a diet soup, just a little bit of salt. Practically nothing would be better. Add 1 medium carrot, peeled and sliced. Add 1 medium parsnip, and peeled and sliced. Now let's add about 5 to 6 cups of water, about 2 inches above the chicken line. Add 1 chicken stock. Of course, it needs to be low sodium. And now let's stir it and increase the heat. Now cover it, let it come to a boil, bring the heat down to a simmer, and let this go for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes simmering. Let's take a look. That looks really good. Now let's add 1/3 cup of Quinoa. And if you don't want to add this, you can add some brown rice or basically anything that's low calorie, and it will keep you happy. Once again, let's keep it covered to a simmer and let it go for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, we're back. Let's take a look. Oh, that looks really good. I'm sure everything is cooked right through, so let's get going here. Now let's add about 1/4 cup of fresh dill. You can add more if you would like. And also let's add 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. This will give it the color and make it super nutritious for you. Okay, let's give you a little teaser here. Just look how this soup came out. This is really nutritious. It will fill you up, it'll make you lose weight, and it will cure those hunger pains that you have. And eat as much as the soup as you want. So let's taste it now. Adjust the taste the way you would like it. I want you to cover it and let it go for about 5 minutes, and it is done. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please follow my other recipes. And once again, it is goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.